Okay, so for all you people that are into birding with your iPhone and you now have an iPhone 7 and you're thinking, oh man, I gotta get an external microphone, but I gotta use this lightning adapter. Where am I gonna get a microphone that works with this? Well, if you remember, I don't know, videos ago that I made about birding, I tested out the EIM-001 microphone, the omnidirectional microphone. And so here it is connected to my iPhone 6 via the lightning to 3.5 millimeter adapter cable that comes from Apple. So you can see that it does work. I'll just tap on the built-in mic. Nada. And the EIM-001, sorry. There you go, it works. And so everything you're listening to in this video is coming from this particular setup here, okay, going into being synced with my camera. Oh, and one other thing, make sure that when you connect an external microphone to your iPhone using the lightning cable, make sure that you plug the microphone into the cable first and then plug the cable into your phone. Otherwise, it will not work. You're gonna think that the cable and the microphone aren't working because you only use the built-in mic if you do that. So make sure you connect these things first and then plug it into your phone. You'll be fine. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about choosing a microphone, and make sure you like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.